Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Here we are in the Latrobe store. Behind me, we've got a couple things we're working on. A Duramax AT4, beautiful truck, track package, wear and tear with PPF, window tint, and a ceramic coating. On the lift, we have a BMW also getting a track package. Then we've got a BMW X1. This is getting a full PPF wrap. It is underway, and then a coating. In the wash bay, we've got an Escalade V. Our good friend Ed brought this in, full wrap, ceramic coating on the wheels, window tint. I think this is our I'd have to look, but like 137th car or something. Minion is in the house today. He's getting old, real old, but he's still kicking. In the tint bay, Terrell's tinting Super Duty fronts and full windshield, right, Terrell? Outside, we've got a couple cars. We have a Scion. No, we don't. It's a Subaru BRZ. I thought it was a Scion FRS. This one had a ceramic coating, and then it was like 7 years. They got it re-ceramic coated, so it's back for a 2-week wash, I guess, for the second time. And beside that is a Cube. Our friend Jeff has this Cube. He's got lots of cars, but this one we vinyl wrapped a few years ago. And I was just admiring my work from a couple years ago. I don't really squeegee much anymore, but this wrap is holding up really, really well, and he drives the crap out of this thing. So this F350 got window tint. BMW X3M was in for a ceramic coating. It's ready to go home. Next to a Bentley. This car, I believe, was in an accident, had some body work done, and it's now getting some ceramic coating reapplied. Our new building is underway, adding some AC today. Our offices and everything, that should be done by the end of the month. We'll have new office space, lots more room to work on cars to serve you guys. We have a vinyl wrap that's being removed. We didn't do the install on that. It's slowly coming along. And a Supra. It's got some carbon fiber rocker panel pieces, and we had to get some PPF on those so they don't get chewed up. A couple of cool cars up front. A CTS-V Coupe. Love these things. This got PPF. It's in its final curing and touch-up phase. That thing will be ready to go home, I believe, by the end of the day. I'm not sure if that one's getting coated. Then we've got a Hellcat Charger. You know I love my Hellcat Chargers. That's what I drove to the shop today. This is getting a track package PPF. And that's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's see what's happening at all the others.
It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. Back in the PPF bay, we got Patrick working on this Tesla Model S. This vehicle was involved in an accident, so we are reapplying new PPF on the right rear quarter panel and the rear bumper. Up on the lift, we have a Lotus Emira in for a full body PPF wrap. This is in from our friends at Ken Ganley, Audi, Porsche, Swickley. This is getting a full 8mm PPF wrap along with a 4-year ceramic coating. In the prep bay, we got Andrew working on this 7 Series. This too was involved in an accident, and it is also getting PPF reapplied on the rear bumper. You can see Andrew taking that off right now. And also on the right rear quarter panel. This was done at our Latrobe shop, and the top of the quarter panel has satin black vinyl on it, so only the bottom portion that was impacted is getting re-PPF'd. Back in the tint bay, we have a new Ram 1500. This is getting the 2 front windows done in our XR 20% to match the factory tint. Next in line for some paint protection film is another vehicle from Audi, Porsche, Swickley. This is getting a stealth wrap. We also tinted all the side windows, the back window, and the visor in our XR 5% for looks, privacy, and heat rejection. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing on this X3M competition. This got a full front clip in our 8mm paint protection film. It is now getting a full paint correction in preparation for its 4-year ceramic coating. Next in line for ceramic coating is this Ford Raptor. This also got a full front clip in our 8mm paint protection film, and very soon Mark will be polishing out all the paint and applying a 4-year ceramic coating. Next up, we have a brand new Golf R. We have tinted the side windows and back window of this vehicle in our Prime XR series window tint. It is also getting a full PPF wrap, all painted surfaces, and after that is complete, we'll be coating the entire body, glass, and wheels. Over here, we have a completed job. This C8 got a full 10mm PPF wrap, a visor on the top of the windshield, and our XR 5%, and a 4-year ceramic coating. Up front, we got a couple classics. First up is the Trans Am. This job is done. This got a full paint correction and a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle. Next to the Trans Am is a 67 F250. This is upfit out of Velocity, which I believe is somewhere out in the Midwest. It's a really cool truck. At a glance, you would think this has crank windows, when in reality, they are actually automatic. You click up or you click down. So really cool little quirk there. It actually has Apple CarPlay as well. And the gauges appear to be all old school gauges, but they're actually digital. Whenever you turn the truck on, it's all modernized. So really cool truck. This is getting a full 8mm PPF wrap, and we're also going to be coating the whole vehicle as well.
What's going on, everybody? It's Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Washington shop. Also, as you can see, we finally got our parking lots paved. First job is this Kia. This customer went with our XR series, window tint all the way around. We did XR15 on the front 2 windows and then 35% on the back half. In our ceramic bay, we have this 2026 Hyundai Santa Fe. This customer is getting our 8-year ceramic coating and then the 2 front windows tinted in our Prime XR line of film. In the PPF bay, we have this 2026 Dodge Durango Hellcat. This customer is getting all of the painted surfaces protected in our 8mm paint protection film, topped off with a ceramic coating, and then our XR line of window tint on all the side windows and back glass.
Hey guys, welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday. Let's see what we got going on today. Ready for delivery, we have the Z06 that came in for the full package. We did full body paint protection in our 8mm, did window tint all around, including our windshield and our XR Plus. Topped it off with a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle, including the wheels and the glass. The hood has also been changed with a Racing Sport Concept carbon fiber hood. It's also PPF'd all the way through, including all the little louvers. We swapped out the rear diffuser with a Racing Sport Concept carbon fiber diffuser for the customer, as well as the engine vent on the back end. Swapped out the badges with red badges to match the red interior. On the lift, we have this 911 Turbo S that's in for full body paint protection film and ceramic coating. Here, Lewis is applying the ceramic coating on the rear wheels. Here we have this 911 Carrera in this beautiful light green. It's in for XR Plus 30% all around.